I'm John Neal, and I'm excited to tell you about our new offshore sail training program this August and September in the Pacific Northwest. The South Pacific is out. Mahina Tiari is on the hard in Auckland, but New Zealand and the South Pacific are closed to visitors. So we are going to offer you something completely different. Starting in Bellingham, we're going to sail through the San Juans and then overnight, non-stop, out the Straits of Juan de Fuca, dealing with large tidal currents, tremendous amount of ship traffic, ocean swells, and you're going to get a chance to get offshore experience in just 7 days. We'll be going through our normal teaching schedule from the expedition. We're also going to include our offshore cruising companion from our all-day seminar. So a tremendous amount of learning opportunity in just a week. Why don't you join us?
Welcome. I'm Michael Beamer with Skagit Valley College, and we're here with John and Amanda talking about the Mahina Offshore Preparation Expedition. And part of that is coming here and getting your hands dirty and understanding the key systems about vessels. So we're going to go through the diesel motor and fuel filters. How do you change them, right? Bring your rubber gloves. Get the air back out. Make this is key for us. We've got to have the engine running. We're going to have you remove the impeller. You got to have seawater flow or you're going to be dead in the water. So impeller service. We're going to do a little bit with electricity. You got to have electricity on our boats, our modern boats. It's key. So we got to be able to go in the lab and learn how to do a proper print, how to read a meter, stuff like that. So come on and join us. We're going to help really prepare you for this adventure.
So I'm in the process of updating the Essential Galley Companion since we are staying in the San Juans, and we're down for the low on a Juneau, which we'll be chartering and inviting you to join us as we sail out into the Pacific Ocean to try out some of these recipes. The chapter I'm working on now is where to put your pootie while you're cooking so you don't fall out of the galley. So this is perfect. I wish there was a grab bar in front of the stove. That would be a really nice feature to have, but other than that, I look forward to having you on board so you can help cook by new recipes, and we'll take both of these two girls, this boat and the book, for a spin.
This Juneau 45 is incredibly roomy, very good use of space. Will be very comfortable for 6 students plus the 2 of us, Amanda and I, instructors.
Plenty of space, easily fit 2 people. We've got 2 drawers for storage, shelves up here, hatch for ventilation, another hatch here you can escape out of, another hatch for ventilation at night, hanging locker, fire extinguisher, door, plenty of space to get changed, move around, do your morning stretches, and 3 hooks for your valleys and jackets and gear. Sharing ahead around the corner. Plenty of space in the aft cabin. They're both the same either side. In fact, I could probably sneak this way. We're healing too much. Anyway, nice hatches for ventilation, 1, 2, and 3. Shelving, hanging lockers with shelving in here, and then a big hanging locker here, another shelf over here, nice little reading light and access. Center hatch for more ventilation, door, and then there's hooks for hanging your gear on. The head is on your left as you exit, going into the main salon with galley and